the important component certainly of RTI. What is it? I also think it's important for them to understand the why. If they don't understand the why of RTI, why are we doing this, why is it important to do this, many people are not going to be on board as to moving ahead with implementation. So they need to know what it is, and that means that the model of response to intervention, the three-tier model, all three tiers, what each model or what each tier means. They need to understand the components, both the knowledge base and to some extent the skill sets associated with that. So besides knowing what it is, certainly initial teacher preparation programs have to teach teachers about making data-based decisions, how to collect data, how to interpret the data that comes as a result of delivering an intervention, how to make changes in those interventions as a result of that data, and how to do that both with individual students, but also how to learn to do that systemically at a classroom level and at a building level. Each of those people graduating from our colleges and universities needs to know about student progress monitoring. They need to know how we use in an elementary school Tier 1 data to screen students, deliver those interventions, and then hopefully instruct those students based on that evidence-based curriculum. They need to understand the difference between how that looks at a secondary level in a high school and how we deliver a response to intervention system is different than we would in an elementary school. And they need to know how to understand data. We can't take for granted that all teachers, all professional preparation educators really know how to use the data that we collect to help them make good instructional and educational decisions. The more successful we are in our professional preparation programs at teaching our candidates, all our candidates, teachers, school psychologists, school counselors, administrators, to work collaboratively together, the more successful we'll be in seeing implementation of RTI in our K-12 settings. All of our graduates do need to understand that we won't be successful unless there's that collaboration process in place in our public schools.